Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to make the first project in the Celebrating in Color May 2022 paper pumpkin kit. So this is the card we're making right here. And the instructions are here. So I need my card base and I need my card front as well as the in color dots and the piece for inside for the card holder. And I also need the stamp that says "Can Do Anything," as well as one of the pieces, one of the greeting cutouts. Okay, so we are good to go. So according to the instructions, the first thing I need to do is punch this piece out of the card front like that, and I need to put sticky strip on it. So let's find the end of our sticky strip, and this should be like a tear and tape, and it is. So we're just going to put this down the edge like that, and I'll try and do this next one up a little bit further so you can see it. And like that. And then we're going to peel this, peel the backing off. This is like double-sided tape. I'm just going to peel the backing off of that side and off of that side. And then we are going to lay it over the U so it's centered. And there we go. Press those down. So there we go. Interesting, it doesn't tell us to do anything here, but I am going to just take a little piece of tear tape and put it on the back of this piece here, like that, and I'm going to tear it just to be a bit shorter. So yeah, fixing this on the fly, and then we're just going to lay that down like that. So there we go. So that now lays flat down. Okay. So really simply now, we need to take our greeting and we need to stamp it. So let's get our Stampin' Spot out. Let's get our stamp set up. With the first kit that you order, you will get an acrylic block. You won't get an acrylic block in any more paper pumpkin kits. You can just reuse it. But everything else you need is in the kit. And we are going to put dimensionals on the back of this greeting. So we're just going to pop two off like this, put one like that, and one like that, and peel those backs off. And then we're going to do this and put it down right under the U over the gold trim, just like that. So there we go. You can do anything. Now let's add some dots. I need a parakeet party, and the parakeet party, why can't I see where it goes? That's silly. Let's look at the main example. Oh, it goes right up here, just like that. Then we're going to take one of the Starry Sky ones and pop it like that. And then one of the Tahitian Tide and pop it over like that. Now what we need to do, the front of the card is done. We need to do the inside of the card. So what they tell us to do is fold the edges in like this. And then we're going to put tear and tape on them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flatten it back out again and then add the tear and tape while it's flat, because I think it will be easier to do that way. So I need a short piece here like that. another small piece here like this. This sticky strip or tear-in tape, whatever you'd like to call it, is really, really strong. So it's not going to come off your card. It's going to really help to hold things together. Okay, so we need to fold those edges in, and we need to place it in the middle of the card like that. So I am going to peel that piece off and that piece off, if it's going to cooperate. There we go. Let's lift that up and then peel this one up. This one is a bit long, so I'm just going to fold the edge back down on itself. Okay, and I'm going to line up the bottom piece here with where I want it on the card, like that. And then I'm going to tuck those sides in and drop it right down. So then we've got our gift card holder inside the card, and you can write your greeting here or to and from down here. So that is our first project using the Celebrating in Color May 2022 Paper Pumpkin Kit.